everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn prepositions and its types. Let's start. What are prepositions? Preposition is a word that is put before a noun or a pronoun to show how it is related to another word. एक noun और pronoun के पहले लगने वाले शब्द को हम preposition कहते हैं. For example, the boys are playing on the road now. लड़के अब सड़क पे खेल रहे हैं. On यानी कि पर जो सेंटेंस में यूज़ हुआ है वो हमें रिलेशनशिप बता रहा है. Few examples of prepositions are in, on, at, through, across, above, beneath, beside, among. बहुत सारे examples होते हैं जो कि डे टू डे कम्युनिकेशन में यूज़ होते हैं. preposition helps to communicate. सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को join कराता है, relate कराता है preposition. Prepositions have many uses. Preposition tells us the direction as in where, when, and time can be expressed as, for example, the bus will be leaving in few minutes. In few minutes is the preposition here. There are many types of preposition. Preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of location, preposition of direction, preposition of spatial relationship, and prepositional phrases. First is preposition of time. Preposition of time is used when something is happening. जब कुछ हो रहा है किसी जगह पे या किसी टाइम पे और हमें एक preposition को use करना हो then we should use preposition of time. Let's see few examples of preposition of time. We will be meeting on Friday. On Friday shows us the exact time कब मिलना है हमें. The supermarket will be closed from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Like from and to shows the relationship between the two timings. Can you come after some time? After shows the preposition of time. We have been asked to work from home until the end of May. यहाँ पे 4 preposition use हुए हैं. टू, फ्रॉम, अनटिल, ऑफ. ये सारे सेंटेंस को कंबाइन कर रहे हैं, हमें रिलेशन बता रहे हैं कब कब कौन सी चीज़ यूज़ हो रही है. वी हैव बिन आस्क्ड टू वर्क. वी हैव बिन आस्क्ड टू वर्क shows here the relationship between the two things. Next is preposition of place. Preposition of place is used to indicate the place or position of something. कोई सामान या पर्सन या प्लेस कहाँ पर है, कहाँ पर होगी, वो हमें preposition of place बताता है. For example, I have kept the book I borrowed from you on the table. From you on the table. On the table shows us the place. Book कहाँ पे रखी है, टेबल पर रखी है. Henry hid behind the door. हेनरी दरवाजे के पीछे छुपा है. बिहाइंड शोज इज द प्लेस. वो कहाँ पर छुपा है, दरवाजे के पीछे छुपा है. द डॉग जम्प्ड ओवर द फेंस. ओवर द फेंस. ओवर इज द preposition which shows where the dog jumped from. Next is prepositions of direction. Preposition of direction is used to denote the direction in which something travels. कोई चीज़ कब कहाँ से जा रही है, कितनी तेज़ी से, उसको बताने के लिए preposition of direction यूज़ होता है. In what kind a person or things moves is directed. Let's see few examples of preposition of direction. The girl ran towards her father the moment she saw him. जैसे ही उस लड़की ने अपने पापा को देखा उसने उसी समय भाग लिया वहाँ से. Towards show us the preposition of direction. Jerry jumped into the river to help his sister. Into the river. Into shows us the direction in which Jerry jumped. Nina lives across the street. Across is the preposition here. Next is prepositions of location. Preposition of location is used when we have to denote a particular location of an object. कोई सामान कहाँ पर रखा है, किस जगह रखा है, उसका लोकेशन बताने के लिए हम preposition of location का यूज़ करते हैं. Let's see few examples of preposition of location. Kenny would be staying at his cousin's place for the weekend. Would be staying at his cousin's place. एट शोज अस द लोकेशन कि कैनी कहाँ पर रहेगा, अपने कज़न के घर रहेगा. एट इज़ द preposition of location. I lay on the floor for a really long time. On the floor. On shows us the preposition of location. Location क्या है? Floor है. Make sure you keep all the toys back in its place after you play. In is the preposition here. Next is preposition of spatial relationship. Spatial relationship. Spatial relationship shows the movement from the source towards the source. मतलब दो चीज़ें कहाँ से जा रही हैं, किस तरफ, किस मूवमेंट पे, हम स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप की मदद से पता लगा सकते हैं. Let's see few examples of spatial relationship. Navya sat leaning against the wall. Leaning against the wall मतलब बैठी है नव्या और लेटी किधर है? वॉल की तरफ. द सर्कस वॉज स्टेशनड अपोजिट द चिल्ड्रंस पार्क. दो प्लेसेस हुए यहाँ पे, सर्कस और चिल्ड्रंस पार्क. Station opposite the children's park. Opposite is the spatial relationship here, which shows the relationship of two places. Shankar sat beside the stairs. Beside shows us the location कि कहाँ पर शंकर बैठा है stairs पे, लेकिन किस तरफ बैठा है stairs के, is shown by beside. Next है prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase is the combination of preposition और noun. एक noun और एक प्रपोजिशन का यूसेज हमें प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज की तरफ से मिलता है. Let's see few examples of prepositional phrase. Medicines you asked for are out of stock. Out of stock shows us the prepositional phrase. Out is the preposition here, off is the preposition here, and stock is the noun. Why don't we try taking classes outside for a change? Taking classes outside. Classes is the noun here, outside is the preposition here. It shows the relationship between the classes and the place. Classes is the location here. Examples of preposition used in a sentence. I will be going to the church in the morning. To the church is the preposition. She placed the place on the dining table. On the dining table is the location and on is the preposition. Bhaskar found the cat hiding under the bed. Under is the preposition here. It shows the location where the cat is hiding. Will you be with Remy or Mizika? विथ शोज़ द preposition कि वो इंसान रेमी के साथ रहेगा या मिज़िका के साथ रहेगा. You can learn and memorize these most popular prepositions for everyday communication. These will be very helpful for you.